Dynamite! How's it going, all you guys and girls in the Illumination? Time to jump aboard the Loom Train. It's me, JJD, JJ Double J, the Illuminator here. Also known by almost countless other aliases and nicknames. We won't get into that right now. I want to show you something that happened to my duck pen. A bird got in. Take a look. Yep, there is a bird that got stuck somehow in my duck pen. Just really crazy. I'm gonna see if I can let him out. Without letting the ducks out, hopefully. See if he comes out. I don't want the ducks to come out. Might have to coax him a little bit. Okay, maybe I have to. Oh, almost. Almost flew through the door. Come on. Fly out the door. Maybe I need to get on the other side. I'm going to get on the other side. Get on this side here. This might be a two-person operation here. Oh, there it goes. And shut the door for me. Hey, that was pretty cool. Off it went. Well, I've had the duck pen for about 1.5 years now, and that's the first time anything like that happened. I have no idea how it happened. It must have got in from the ground, maybe in the back, small little area in the back. That's all I can, I took a look at it, and that's all I can figure out. But weird, very, very weird. Never happened all this time, and well, it's out now, so that's good. Anyway, I'm off to the races. I love you all. Take care, stay safe. This is the Illuminator, and I'll be back. And before I get out of here, I just wanted to say a big thank you for coming over and watching. It really means a lot to me. If you liked the video you just saw, hit that thumbs up button. I would really appreciate it. And if you haven't done so already, click that subscribe button. It's 100% free. It'll help keep you up to date on all my videos and vlogs. And don't forget to ring that bell. Hey, you know what? I think this is the best porridge we've ever had here. What do you think?